everyone, we are the Lovat Group and I am Procedure Mansayon. This time, we'll be tackling marital or spousal privilege. Marital or spousal privilege are two separate privileges that are used to describe testimonial privilege and communication privilege in the law.
Good day everyone, I am Hazel Ann A. Rebite. So to further explain it, testimonial privilege is the notion that married spouses are one entity and so are not competent to testify against themselves through their other half, as what embodied in the section 22 of Rule 130 of the Rules of the Court. During their marriage, neither the husband or the wife may testify for or against the other without the consent of the affected spouse.
So, good day everyone, my name is Diane Hazel Ann A. Saguano. So, under this type, one spouse cannot be forced to give testimony against his or her spouse who is a defendant in a criminal trial or a subject of a jury proceedings. So, to claim this privilege, spouse must need to be married. So, if for example, an ex-wife can be obliged to give testimony about the defendant for as long as they are no longer married.
Good day everyone, I am Ruffa Malumay. So the spousal communication privilege, on the other hand, is found in the section 24 of the same Rule 130, which provides that the husband or the wife during or after the marriage cannot be examined without the consent of the other as to any communication received in confidence by one from the other during the marriage. So the spousal communication privilege protects the communication and the conversation made during a legal and a valid marriage from being used as an evidence in the legal trial, which is applied to both the husband and wife regardless of being divorced or not.
Two privileges are similar. Both cannot be invoked by the affected spouse in a civil case, by one against the other, or in a criminal case by a crime committed by the one against the other and the latter's direct descendants or ascendants, according to the section or stated in the section 20 and 24 Rule 130. So these sections serve as the exception from the privilege, and the only difference between the two privileges is that testimonial privilege can only be petitioned during the marriage. And one must remember that this privilege only protects confidential communication. So that's all. Thank you for watching and keep safe everyone.